River's Edge by Studio B Architecture plus Interiors in Salida, United States. This Salida residence was designed as a primary residence for a family on a stunning rural site, with 360-degree mountain views overlooking the Arkansas River, just outside of the art-centered mountain town of Salida, Colorado. The design of the living spaces simultaneously connects the users to the incredible views overlooking the adjacent Arkansas River, and the majestic distant views of the 14,000-foot-tall Mt. Shavano, Mt. Antero, Mount Princeton, and the rest of the Collegiate Peaks. With the house perched above the river and meadows, secondary spaces frame individual mountains, the river, and the canyons to the north. At one end, the home is anchored to the earth by the weathered steel garage, while the other stretches out high above the Arkansas River. The low-profile posture of the house allows the mountain ridges to be seen over and through the house. To withstand the harsh mountain environment, durable, maintenance-free materials were utilized. Inspired by the wavy, deposited sands along the river bank, the raked stucco provided an organic, textured, and durable surface. Ubiquitous in the surrounding agricultural areas, weather steel panels clad the utility areas of the house. The weathered steel, warm-toned stucco, and concrete blend with the natural environment. The homeowners find themselves immersed in the sounds of the water while working in the cantilevered studio space. Large amounts of glass allow all users to be fully integrated into the views, while operable windows and doors allow the sounds of the river and environment to fill the house. The house provides sheltered outdoor areas for year-round use that are protected from the sun, rain, and powerful winds coming down from the high mountain peaks. The living space is centered within the primary volume, surrounded by glass, opening to views of the river on the east, and the Collegiate Peaks to the west. An outdoor dining area acts as an extension of the living space adjacent to a deck running the length of the house from the kitchen to the studio, blurring the line between indoor and out.